I'm Jonah. I failed the bar in 2024. It was one of the most heartbreaking moments of my life. I started to doubt myself, my dreams. Basta masakit. But God did give me the strength to keep going and not give up. The second take was a lot harder. Mas mabigat, mas nakakatakot kasi alam ko na yung pakiramdam ng hindi ko makita yung pangalan ko sa liste. But it was also fulfilling. Every day that I chose to show up is the Lord's way of reminding me to trust His perfect timing and to trust His ways. And that I'm not defined by my past failure. Moreover, God did provide everything that I need for the bar preparations. And today, this is it. God did let me pass the bar 2025. I am now an attorney. Finally, totoo na. ATTY dot. Finally got the dot. To the new chapter of my life.